Hello everybody, welcome to Linga Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a YouTube banner with picsart. So let's get started. Click on custom size here, then click the exact height and width that you see on the screen. Then create the design, and what you can do is search YouTube template, and you're gonna search for something like this, and it should be the size 2560 into 1440. So once you've done downloading that, I already have my downloaded version, so make sure you download that, then make it like that. Let me make it just a little bit. Two five sixty, right? Yeah, that is a good size. So yeah, you can do that. Then what you can do is search for text background, text background. Then there are some results. Let me download this. Just right. Images, it was called, yeah, images 6 it was called. So downloads, fine, that's good. Let me place it here. Oops. Let me place it in the correct place. Let me stretch it. Yeah, it gives you that kind of a effect. Then let me choose this. You should search for techno icons. Then it loads some techno icons. Then you can just choose whatever you want. I found this, so I just got this. I will actually post all these. Wait. I will actually give this template in the description so you can download it. Fine, that's just too big. Make sure it's not overlapping the edges. Just a little. Okay. 505, 420. Okay. Let me bring this. Oh, okay. I got two copies. 510. Should make it 500 and wait. Okay, that's good. What else? Yeah, let me go to text. Click on, oops, add a heading. Yeah, change the font something like Abril Fat Face or something. Now let me go for Kavit, which is cursive. I like cursive, so I want you can do that. Hmm, let me make it bright green, and let me make the outline as yellow because it really suits it. Maybe I can do as purple, cyan. No, that doesn't work. Let me see if red works. No. Let me just change it to, okay, let it be that. Just put it here. Name it something like mm, code genie. Put it here. Control C, Control V. Then change the color of this to something like yellow. And the outline to, nope, not green. I think, yeah, it was red. It was red. Hmm, what shall this one be? Let it be this. It looks like impact, so it's okay. Let it be something like Chibu. Okay, that looks good. Hmm, let me name it as Master Coda. Let it be something like that. Let me place it here. Control C, Control V. Let me change the font to something like, no, actually let it be bad. No, not bad script. Let it be Big Shoulders text. Let me change it. Mm, YouTube videos. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Let me make this a little smaller. Yeah, that looks good. Make this a little smaller as well. Put all these in order. Okay, then let me go and search YouTube icons. and you can choose whatever you like. Maybe this one. Let me save this as download. Let me go to Pixio. If you don't know what Pixio is, it's the remove background option. If you didn't watch my video, then watch that before coming into this one. So what Pixio does is that it removes all the background. So let me apply it, save the photo and download one. Let me upload it in my photos. So we got the YouTube button. Let me make it super small. Fine. Then I can go to my photos, upload some files. I don't know where I saved it. Yeah, this one. Oh, please try in a couple of minutes. What couple of minutes? Okay, so it's coming just right. Why isn't it coming when I'm clicking on it? Yeah, there we have our photo. So I'll just make it a little bit small, maybe a little more bigger, so that my head doesn't pop out. Okay, so move it there. Then you can put something like yeah, can oops, what's happening? Yeah, courses every week. Let me make that a little bit smaller. Yeah, let me put something like need to subscribe. Yeah, that's good. I'll put it there. So after that, what you can do is you can go to effects, go to magic, hmm, non-green. This looks good, but I want something more better. Yeah, that looks good. So what I can do is you can click on export, you can download web photo editor, then you can go to your YouTube channel. studio.youtube.com channel, then you can go to the editing images. So how you do that is go to your own YouTube channel. Let me go to mine called Linga Tech. Then you can do that. What you can do is change. You have a photo editor, you can open that. Then you can click on done. If you click on publish, it will just publish the result, and you can see your channel's banner changed. That's all for now, everybody. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to Linga Tech.